Okay guys, what is going on? Today I got a little update video for you guys. It's been about 3 weeks since my last video, so yeah, not much has been going on until like the last week ago. I've been daily driving the OBS and hasn't given me any problems. I fixed the camber on it finally. Basically it was just like, I didn't know where the bolts were to fix the camber, and it turned out it's just the upper control arms. You've got these bolts here. They're cam bolts. Has already had the aftermarket ones in there, so I took it into the shop at school and twisted them so I could get the most negative camber, and it worked. And actually it worked as much as I could, but it still wasn't very good, so I cranked the bars more, and apparently as you crank the bars it gives it more negative camber. So I cranked them each turn and a half more, and it worked out pretty good. So that's fixed. I was having this issue with the wipers, and I kind of like Mickey Mouse that, so that's working. So yeah, and the Silverado has been for sale for a few weeks now, pretty much. And I wasn't really having a lot of offers on it or a lot of interest. A couple of people were emailing me, but no one ever came out. And so basically I was sitting here for a few weeks, and some guy finally, I'm gonna get to this more in the next video, but some guy came and wanted to see it because he had something to trade me. And I go out here like 15 minutes before he comes over, just fire it up and see if it still runs, if the battery's not dead. I start trying to turn it over, the battery's dead, obviously, so I plug the charger in, and basically now where we're at is that it won't start. It's got lots of juice, it's cranking over fine, it just won't fire. It's getting fuel, you can smell it coming out the tailpipes, and it's backfiring through the throttle body, but won't fire. It's got spark. We took out a spark plug, grounded on the block, and it sparks fine and everything, so it leads me to believe it's like a cam's angle sensor or something. So that was kind of annoying when that guy came over, and then it obviously wouldn't run, so I show him the OBS, and I'm pretty sure this OBS is gonna be gone. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be pissed to hear that, but I think you're gonna like what I might be getting here, so just stay tuned for that, and leave any suggestions for what this could be. Obviously I haven't given you guys much information, but it's getting spark, it's getting fuel, the air, like I took off this main air cleaner and then like holding the throttle in, and when you so it's getting air, obviously, so it's got air, spark, and fuel. So it leads me to believe it's timing. But it, like I say, I just parked, it ran perfectly fine. Parked it for a couple weeks and now it won't run. So, oh yeah, and spraying starting fluid inside the throttle body won't do anything. So think about that too. Like it'll backfire right through the ignition. And then like when I had been cranking it for a while and I pulled the spark plug again, it was covered in fuel. So there's fuel in the cylinders and everything. It's getting spark. It just won't go. So leave any ideas for me, and this next video is going to be pretty good if this deal goes through, which I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, just stay tuned for that, guys. I hope a lot of you will like what's going to happen, but I'm sure there's going to be a few of you that are going to be mad, and I'm okay with that. So see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.